Bah, what are you doing there? Wow! You like that?
Oh, yeah. It's a
Yeah?
bigger one.
It's a bigger one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
Watch it. See that?
Yeah? Okay. It's the same color with your jacket. Yeah? Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Wow, what's that? What was that? Yeah? What is that? Yeah?
Mom, I get boom boom. I get boom boom.
Yeah.
Brother, I say you boom boom.
You wanna show brother the boom boom? Brother.
Francene, come on.
Yeah. No, brother cannot go there. You stay. He stays here. So you finish. Come on. That's okay. Nagkuha lang ng coffee si Frank. Si Francine. Fertig! Nagtubil man yung isa guys. Nang higda may aning bench. O si Francis nandun. Dito may aning bench. Walang katao-tao yung city nila dito guys. Oh. Ay yung town or center nila.
What that?
Sa church. You,
Ding.
yeah.
Ding.
There's a church.
When the starts,
Ding.
3? Okay.
Ding.
Kain muna tayo.
Uh-huh.
Hey, slowly. Can I share with you? Currywurst.
Yeah, Mama.
Okay.
no.
Francine. Get that there. So look at that Allen Church. 3 times I was here 3 times already. I think naka 3 times ako nakapunta dito guys. Kasi sumasama ako ni Frank. And look at the houses here. Ganda dito. Ganan, I like it this way ba? Small koan ba? Small community. Maliit lang siya na community guys. Ang ganda ng church nila oh.
Hidden is like that.
Diyan kami lagi kumakain ni Franco. Close yung mga shop nila. Ito dito. Yan. Small village lang to siya, guys. Is this called village, baby?
No, it's a town.
It's a town there.
But a small town.
A small town. Chinek ni Frank dun kung open yung church guys kasi maglit kami ng candle if open. But I think it's closed. Closed ata. Is it closed? It's open? But there's no...
From 9 to 16.
Yeah, but maybe there's other way here. Go this way. Pasok kami sa church na yan para mag-light ng candle. Yeah, here. It's here pa. There's a way here. Oh. Merong daan dito para sa kinderbang. Oh, pala. Oh, shit. Get a shit. Oh, shit. I was thinking, who opened the door? Ito yung church nila dito, guys. There's, yeah. Ay, lucky. Mag-light lang kami ng candle. Go, Francene. Light lang kami ng candle dito. Naghunghung ako kasi ang quiet dito, guys. Do it here. Yeah, you do it.
Like in the Philippines. Give me money. Feel safe.
Quiet.
Money.
Quiet. Here, Francine. You stand there. No, it's here. Okay, get a candle here. Yeah, we get a candle. Here, get 3 of them. Yeah, 1 for you. Give it a 1 for Papa. Yeah. 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 Careful, careful not to get our. Come on now. Come. It's a Spider-Man. Come on, because there's a big car, oh. Big truck. Careful. Wala man igitugnaw ni isa, guys. So, warm daw ko, no. Sabi ko sa kanya na magyake. Ayaw niya magyake kay warm ko, no. Niya ako gikurog-kurog ko sa tugnaw. Hi, nako, Francine. You tell Papa about your birthday. What's your plan? Later. Okay. Okay. Oh, we go this way. Our tour guide. Meron pa kasi kaming time. It's not that late yet. Hindi pa late. So, dito tayo daan. Iskina. Okay. What is ghetto pa? What is ghetto? What's that? Yeah? I like these houses here. Oh, galing ng houses. I like the houses. These houses. Oh, it's cool. It looks cute. Ganda dito. Okay, small town lang ba? Hindi siya malaki kagaya sa amin na ang laki, guys. Francine, a car. Come on, go on that side. To Papa.
That is supposed,
General?
no, that's supposed to be, I think, Oberarzt, doctor. He's a high doctor, like a high ranked doctor.
Yeah, how come he has a cap like a military? See that? Like a captain.
Don't know. He's the rescuer from Aalen. Rescuer from Aalen.
Yeah?
Because they had a hospital here.
Okay.
And that's in commandant from Colonel Sidney R. Hines. That's a U.S. general.
Newton.
Born from 1900 in Newton, U.S., Illinois, until he died on the 17th of 2nd, 1991 in San Antonio, Texas. He was the commander of the 2nd U.S.
That's
Division
why.
Of the 9th U.S. Army.
Okay.
And in trust to the, what do you say, the promise of that general, he did not destroy Aalen because of the hospital.
Okay.
That was operated by the high-ranked
Dr. Paul Rosenbaum. So he's a colonel.
In the 21st of March 1945, in the Second World War, the Aalen was saved from destroying,
Because
being
of him.
destroyed, being bombed.
Okay. Oh.
Because of the Allies.
So it was not.
It was not bombed because
He
the
was
colonel was telling
saying.
the U.S. Air Force not
Okay.
to bomb that place because there's a hospital.
Okay. Good. So a bit of history on Aalen. Thank you.
Such bad translation.
Mayor and a professor now. Look at that. What is this? Their school? Western
School
Schule
and,
Real Gymnasium
Gymnasium.
Stad Bukiray. This is a library.
And also library.
Yeah, because it says Stad Bukiray.
Yeah.
It's a library. Oh, see, I know Deutsch. Come here, madam. Don't play in the water.